Alright, so what we have here is a 2011 Toyota Sienna. We're looking at the headlights. We're going to replace with the bulb with the LED. So first, obviously, we're gonna remove the original bulb. Right, just twist it like that and pull the switch like that. There's a tab there that you can push. This has already been removed by me. So, and this is what it looked like. So basically, we're going to replace the low beam and a high beam for this car. So here's the LED that I'm gonna use, ordered from Amazon. Let's open it. Right. So basically, got your manual, I believe. And this is for high beam, low beam, and fog light for this particular bulb. So all you have to do is just match it, the one that you have. So this is, seems to be, this one here seems to be the low beam, because just comparing by the looks of it, the plug is similar, and this is, I believe, the high beam. Or they're all the same plug anyway. So just a matter of the socket, I believe. Oh yeah, so this socket is a lot thicker compared to the old one. Okay. There's not much difference here. So am I gonna go and get the high beam also? So to get the high beam, it's the same process. Just twist it like that, and push the tab down, and pull the wire. There you go. Alright, so as you can see, this one here looks very the same. So this is gonna be your high beam, and because that looks the same, and I believe your high beam, no, not high beam, but the fog light and the low beam, it's almost the same plug. So what I'm going to do, you're gonna have to watch the plug, compare the plug, especially the inside, because that's where they make the difference. As you can see here, see that this one here, it's got that divider. It's separate, or a protector or whatever, or guide or something. You're gonna look for that. If not, if they're all the same, then they're all the same. So it doesn't matter, I guess, which one you're gonna use. But I would prefer using this one as my low beam, because it's got a fan there, so it will cool very easy because you have a fan here. right? So yeah, so I'm gonna use this as a low beam, and this is my pug light here. So now when you put the bulb, you have to know where is the positive and negative side. As you can see, there's a positive and negative sign there. You have to know that because the headlights, right? If you put this backwards, let's say you put the positive into negative and also the negative to positive, this will not light on. This is only one directional. This is not like your conventional bulb, it will work either way. So this way it's critical to know which the positive and negative. So to know, you gotta have a voltmeter, any voltmeter, and you turn on the headlights first. So let's turn on the headlights. So I turn on the headlights, right? Obviously this is not gonna be on because I took the bulb out. So we're gonna test it. So let's test it. There's only two wires here, so you can't confuse this. So here's our voltmeter. So our voltmeter, let's try the red wire here. Try the white black. There you go. So the white black is your 12 volts. So that's your positive, right? And now let's try the high beam. So now I turn on the high beam. So you got red, blue, and red, black. So let's try this red, blue. See if it's 12 volts. Yep, 12 volts. Red, blue, right? So there you go. So that's it. That's all you have to know. Because the thing is, you have to get rid of one of these what do you call it, lock here. This is a lock. You have to get rid of this because this is vice versa. You can put it in vice versa, right? But you have to only choose one to lock it, right? So now we know where's our positive. So when you put it, just look for your lock and get rid of the bottom, right? Get a snipper or something like that. So now, because we know now our positive for the low beam is the white black wire, right? So the positive would be this side. So this is the right orientation, right? This is gonna be the bottom. So where the bottom is, you're gonna have to remove it, the lock here. So all you have to do, just get a snipper like this, right? Just got it, just like that. So just like that, you see? Now it's cut. So but you have one on the top. So now this is ready to go. But of course, before you put it in, check it first. So here it is, right? The low beam is working. As you can see, this is yellow and this is white bright, right? So that's done. Now let's do the high beam. So now let's put the high beam. And for the high beam, it seems like there's no two sides here, just one side. So it's just plug and play then. So you just same process. The way you put the old bulb, you push in and twist right, like so, and just put this plug in and it should be good. So there you go, high beam and low beam at once. So yeah, that's how you put a LED for this car. Thank you for watching.